West Hollywood condo owners, it's Ian Rhodes, your favorite realtor, and you've got to check out our latest listing. Are you looking to wake up to the sweeping Hollywood Hills views, entertain in a luxury open floor plan, and unwind on 2 private balconies? Then I've got just the condo for you. I'm Ian Rhodes, your West Hollywood area condo realtor, and this is our latest listing, 7250 Franklin Avenue, Unit 1101. The open concept living creates a perfect flow for both daily life and hosting. The modern kitchen makes preparing meals a joy, whether it's a casual breakfast or a chef-inspired dinner with friends. Guests arrive captivated by the stunning views, moving from the stylish interior out to the expansive balconies. The sound and energy-efficient doors create the perfect indoor climate or quiet hum of the city as you relax, recharge, and enjoy your bedroom suite with spa-like bathroom. It isn't just a place to live, it's an experience that elevates every moment. Schedule your private tour today.